If your OneDrive is not syncing and files are stuck, missing, or refusing to update, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the OneDrive not syncing error step by step using simple methods that work for most Windows users. We'll start with the quickest fixes first, then move on to more effective troubleshooting if OneDrive still won't sync. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Before we dive in, it helps to understand why this happens. OneDrive sync problems usually come from internet issues, a stuck sync process, not enough storage, or OneDrive not running correctly in the background. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix the problem in just a few minutes without reinstalling anything. First, let's try pausing and resuming sync. Look down in the taskbar and click the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once OneDrive opens, click the gear icon for settings. From there, select Pause Syncing. Choose a short pause, then wait about 1 minute. This gives OneDrive a chance to refresh its connection. After that, go back and click Resume Syncing. In many cases, this simple reset is enough to clear a temporary sync glitch. If that didn't solve it, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Open a web browser and try visiting a few different websites. If pages are loading slowly or not at all, OneDrive won't be able to sync properly. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet source, whether that's Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If needed, disconnect and reconnect to your network or restart your router. Once your internet is working again, give OneDrive a moment and see whether syncing starts back up. Now let's check your OneDrive storage. If your Microsoft Cloud storage is full, OneDrive may stop syncing new files until space is freed up. Open your browser and go to account.microsoft.com. Sign in with the Microsoft account connected to OneDrive. Then open the storage section and check how much space you have left. If your storage is full or close to full, delete old files you no longer need, empty your recycle bin, or upgrade your storage plan if necessary. After freeing up space, OneDrive should have a better chance of syncing normally again. If syncing is still stuck, try restarting OneDrive completely. Right-click the OneDrive cloud icon again, then click Quit OneDrive. This closes the app in the background and forces it to stop running for a moment. After that, open the Start menu, search for OneDrive, and launch it again. Once it reopens, watch the cloud icon and see if your files begin syncing. A quick restart can often fix background bugs that prevent OneDrive from updating. If the issue still continues, the next step is to reset OneDrive. This is one of the strongest fixes for a sync error, especially when the app seems frozen or badly misconfigured. Press Windows+R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type C:\program files \Microsoft OneDrive \OneDrive.exe \reset, then press Enter. After you do this, wait about 2 minutes. OneDrive may disappear from the tray for a short time, and that's normal. After the wait is over, open OneDrive again from the Start menu. This reset can rebuild the sync connection and clear stuck settings. After resetting, give it a few moments to reconnect and recheck your files. If you use a lot of folders or large uploads, the sync process may take a little time to catch up, so be patient and let OneDrive finish doing its job. If none of these steps fix the problem, you may want to check whether OneDrive is paused by a work or school account, whether you're signed into the correct Microsoft account, or whether a file name contained unsupported characters. But in most cases, the pause and resume method, the internet check, storage cleanup, restarting OneDrive, and the reset command will solve the issue. So to recap, if OneDrive is not syncing, first pause and resume syncing and check your internet connection, make sure your storage is in full, restart OneDrive, and if needed, reset it completely. These steps are safe, fast, and effective for most syncing errors. If this tutorial helped you fix OneDrive, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.